Just do it again one more time. Do it again. Come on. Do it again.
I can hear you over here. That means everyone can hear you.
She's learning from me. Okay.
Really, we can't do it. It's a good thing.
Sound effects done by Brittany Mayhem.
Who's that?
You can't even give a straight face. Those are her sound effects.
Ow.
Ending video.